And it's my privilege and honor to welcome Sri Anil Swarup. Welcome, sir, to IIPA. And thank you for sparing your time to be here with us and share the main theme and contents of the book. So there are officers from various backgrounds and who are participating today for the discussion that will be there.
मुख्तसर सी जिंदगी के अजब से अफसाने हैं, यहाँ तीर भी चलाने हैं, परिंदे भी बचाने हैं. That's the quintessential dilemma of all civil servants and maybe otherwise also, that you have to chart your way amongst troubled waters, difficult waters, because everyone is watching. This book, You Can Make It Happen, was triggered on account of my interaction with a large number of civil servants. Post-retirement, I've been going around the country talking to civil servants and not so civil servants. And during these interactions, I discovered that a large number of us were very happy blaming others for in their inability to deliver. And that is what that triggered this book. How far is it correct to blame the surroundings for your inefficiencies, for your inactions? Because I had always believed as a civil servant that if you did want, you could do a lot of things. And that's what that triggered this book. हमारा सामान्य धारणा ये रहती है कि उम्र भर यही भूल करता रहा गालिब, भूल चेहरे पे थी, आईना मलता. ये गालिब का शेर नहीं है वैसे, लेकिन बात बड़ी पते की कही है. We are prone to blaming others for all. What I discovered during the course of my career was, in a country like ours, which is fortunately a democracy, it is extremely difficult to make things happen. There is no dearth of ideas. You go around the place, everyone has an idea. In UP, we call them Rai Sahibs. Quintessential advisors who will tell you what to do, and then they will take the patli gali, leave the lalla of Rai with you, and you don't know what to do with it. Why? Because for any idea to fructify and sustain over a period of time, it has to be politically acceptable, socially desirable, technologically feasible, financially viable, administratively doable, judicially tenable, emotionally relatable, and environmentally sustainable. This book is all about understanding the set of circumstances. Very soon in my career, I discovered that despite the enthusiasm that I had as a young civil servant to change everything around me, I discovered I couldn't do a nut to others. The sooner it came to dawn on me, the better it was for me, because then the focus shifted from others to myself. However, in changing myself, which I thought was the fundamental thing required to do anything in life, I had to understand the set of circumstances very clearly. I couldn't change them. But if you did understand them correctly, your changing also will not matter. So this distinction had to be understood. Number one, there is a given objective reality. You can't change that objective reality. But in order to change yourself to do something, you have to understand that objective reality. And that objective reality is the political reality, the social reality, the technological reality, the social reality, the administrative reality, so on and so forth. So this book, the first part of the book, is all about understanding the realities of the ground. And it is in that I try to use my personal experience on how to get things from variety of politicians, because we are very prone to blaming the politicians for all the wrongs that are happening in the society. And I was soon to discover that there are some outstanding politicians. And I had the privilege of working with people like Mr. Kalyan Singh, one of the finest. And I have also had the privilege of working with people like Ms. Mayawati. I was in her secretariat, so was in the secretariat of Kalyan Singh. It was not so difficult to get things done from Mr. Kalyan Singh, though initially I will narrate a couple of incidents to illustrate how I navigated. To begin with, I was faltering time and again. I mean, I was fighting with every politician in the first 7-8 years because I thought they were all rascals and ruffians. And soon I was proved wrong. I came across Mr. Kalyan Singh, a very fine politician. And then Ms. Mayawati. I distinctly remember, and I'm just narrating 1 or 2 incidents only, but then we'll get down to discussion. She has this habit of suspending officers in a meeting. And she used to take pride in the fact. So in one of the meetings, she suspended the district magistrate. The district magistrate came crying to me. Said, sir, मेरी तो कोई गलती नहीं थी, मुझे suspend कर दिया. He explained the whole thing and उसकी कोई गलती वाकई नहीं थी. अब now the key was कि उसका हम reinstatement कैसे कराएं. तो हम लोगों ने थोड़ी रिसर्च की थी, and that's to my mind, I've understood over a period of time. You must understand the person very clearly to go and get things done from him. So we tried to understand her. Since I was in her secretariat, I had the opportunity to watch her very closely. She used to be in best of her moods early in the morning when we used to have breakfast. उन्हें मैगी बड़ी पसंद है और वो पालती मार्केट सोफे बैठ के मैगी सुड़क सुड़क करके खाती थी. अब सुड़क की कोई अंग्रेजी नहीं है, तो मैं किताब में नहीं लिख पाया क्या है, मतलब वो सुड़क का सुड़क ही है, जब उस नूडल ऊपर जाता है सुड़क अंदर. She used to be damn thrilled as if she has achieved something. वो समय हम सब काम कराते थे. सुबह हम पहुंचे, उस दिन मेरी ड्यूटी लगी थी. अंदर गए और अनिल क्या हाल है, मैंने कहा मैडम सब बढ़िया है. कैसा चल रहा है, मैंने कहा बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा. फिर जब थोड़ा बहुत गप हो गई तो फिर मैंने अपनी बात कही. मैंने कहा मैडम वो अधिकारी जो था अच्छा अधिकारी है, उससे गलती हो गई. अब कई लोगों ने मुझे क्रिटिसाइज किया इस बात पे कि आपको पता था उसकी गलती नहीं थी, फिर भी आपने उनसे कहा उनकी गलती थी. मैंने कहा भाई मेरे, अगर मैं कहता उसकी नहीं आपकी गलती थी, मैं भी सस्पेंड हो जाता. तो क्वेश्चन इज, मुझे अपनी लड़की की शादी तो नहीं करानी वहां पर, मुझे अपना काम कराना है. ये दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच सम ऑफ अस डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. हम लोग अपनी ऑनेस्टी यहाँ लिए घूमते हैं और रिटायरमेंट के बाद कहते हैं 45 मेरे ट्रांसफर हो गए और मार्टिर बन गए. अरे भाई मेरा काम मार्टिर बनना नहीं, मेरा काम कराना है. In another book I have written, honesty alone is not enough for a civil servant. It's a necessary condition, but not a sufficient condition. आपको काम कराना है, तो मुझे तो काम कराना था. मैंने कहा मैडम वो अच्छा अफसर है, गलती हो. अरे अच्छा है तो गलती कैसे होगी, बड़ा सही. मैंने कहा मैडम किसी से भी हो सकती, मुझसे भी हो सकती गलती. यहाँ भी मैं ये नहीं कह सकता था आपसे हो सकती गलती, मुझसे हो सकती गलती. अच्छा अफसर है, अच्छा ठीक है बहाल कर दे. Within a minute I got that officer reinstated. Now I have mentioned this in my book. It might appear very ridiculous, but in a much more complex situation, I'll explain to you. When I was working as coal secretary and education secretary with Mr. Modi, how I got him to agree with me. Now, this was very difficult. Not many, in any case, had at that point in time courage to disagree with the Prime Minister. I did that as a matter of habit. And as luck would have it, on every case, he agreed with me. Let me narrate just two incidents before I conclude. Incident number one was when I just taken over as coal secretary, Government of India. I had some idea about the sector. All scams had happened. Yet I rang up a friend of mine and asked him, यार ये sector कैसा है? तो उसने जवाब तो दिया नहीं, बोला गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर देखी है क्या? That settled the issue. फिर पहली मीटिंग होती है within 7 days of my joining. Prime Minister is taking meeting. A few of us are sitting there. The power secretary makes a presentation. He presents 6 slides. In all 6 slides, he says at the end, सर ये प्रॉब्लम कोयले की कमी की वजह से, ये प्रॉब्लम कोयले. हर स्लाइड के बाद जब उनका प्रेजेंटेशन खत्म हुआ तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर मेरी तरफ घूमे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट एड्रेस ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर टू मी. अनिल जी आपने देखा, आप कोयले की समस्या का समाधान कर दीजिए, देश की आर्थिक स्थिति सुधर जाएगी. नाउ a younger Anil Swarup would have immediately contested him because what he was saying was incorrect. But a mature Anil Swarup didn't do that. That's where you have to make your argument politically acceptable, even if it is not acceptable to begin with. So how do I start? I tell him, सर आप सही कह रहे हैं, कोयला एक गंभीर समस्या है, पर सर क्या ये कहना उचित होगा कि ऊर्जा क्षेत्र की समस्या सिर्फ कोयले की वजह से? सर हमें इसे कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली देखना होगा ना सर. He picked on to the word comprehensive. हाँ अनिल जी आप सही कह रहे हैं. Then he turned towards Piyush Goyal, who was my minister. He said, अनिल जी सही कह रहे हैं, आप इसको कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली देखिए, ऊर्जा क्षेत्र की समस्या है, इसका आप इम्पैक्ट नहीं समझ सकते क्या हुआ. Mr. Piyush Goyal was under a false impression that I was close to Mr. Modi. अगले 2 साल मक्खन की तरह निकले उनके साथ, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं उनके साथ. So sometimes fortunately I ran in situation. Otherwise working with Mr. Piyush Goyal was not easy. Never raised his voice. और last meeting मेरी प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब, देखिए इस बीच भी कई सारी चीजें हैं, मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूं कि I had developed by that time an art of making my idea politically acceptable. When I say if your idea is not politically acceptable, it will not travel distance. I am Secretary School Education. I get a call from the Principal Secretary to Prime Minister, Mr. Nipin Mishra, who I had worked with because he was Principal Secretary to Mr. Kalyan Singh, I was Secretary to Mr. Kalyan Singh, so we knew each other. And he tells me, Anil, जरा आज शाम को आके तो जरा प्राइम मिनिस्टर को हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के बारे में बता दो। मैंने कहा मैं तो एजुकेशन सेक्रेटरी हूँ। अरे नहीं, वो हम लोग पिछले 3 साल से कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तुमने एक बड़ी अच्छी स्कीम चलाई थी हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस की, हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं, हर बार प्राइम मिनिस्टर नाराज हो जाते हैं। मैंने कहा मेरी डांट पड़वाना चाहते हैं? नहीं नहीं नहीं, तुम आके कोशिश करो, स्कीम बड़ी अच्छी थी। अब ठीक है, पहुंच गया। शाम को पहुंचे, वहां हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी ने प्रेजेंटेशन किया। जब प्रेजेंटेशन किया तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर फिर हल्के से नाराज हुए कि भाई आप क्यों इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज की हिमायत कर रहे हैं। मेरी तरफ घूमे, अनिल जी आप रहे इंश्योरेंस से, आपका क्या राय? मेरी भी वही राय थी जो हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी, बट मैंने तब तक तैयारी कर ली थी। आई पैकेज्ड इट इन अ मैनर, एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई कीप टेलिंग civil servants. Your packaging is very important. How you present, who you present, when you present, what is your tone, all these are very, very important. I learned it the hard way. मैंने अपना presentation 15 मिनट किया. Believe me, we all know Prime Minister as a fantastic speaker, which indeed he is, but he is even a better listener. 15 मिनट बिल्कुल एक टक मुझे सुनते रहे, मैं exactly वही बात कह रहा था जो हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी कहा। उसके एंड में कहते हैं हाँ अनिल जी आप सही कह रहे हैं, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस होना चाहिए। उस दिन आयुष्मान भारत पैदा हुई, नाम उसको बाद में मिला। आज की आयुष्मान वो है, तब उनको समझ में आया। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू द डिटेल्स क्या कहा मैंने। जब मैं बाहर निकल रहा था, दिस इज क्रिटिकल, जब मैं बाहर निकल रहा था जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी मुझसे कहता है सर आपको तो पता था नाराज हो जाते, फिर भी आपने अपनी बात कह दी। मैंने देखो भैया, ना मुझे इनसे आज कुछ चाहिए, ना रिटायरमेंट के बाद कुछ चाहिए। जो मैंने ठीक समझा कह दिया, बाकी ये समझे जिनको समझ में आता। सो इफ यू वांट टू मेक थिंग्स हैपन, you have to cease to have expectations from others. The moment you start expecting for yourself, you know, that made me feel like a king. In the 38 years of my career, I never ever went to any politician or any person favor. Did it on my own terms. That is how you can make things happen. So you have to understand the political context, wait through it. Similarly, the social context. Similarly, the technology context. I'm not going to the details of it. I will only touch upon one context, which is the emotional context, which again is very important to make things happen. And I'll conclude after that. You know, often what happens in the government that we decide what is right for everyone else, without making an attempt to make the others believe that it is good for him. This is very important. The marketing of your idea to the stakeholders. If we can get that happen, and RSBY, the Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, the health insurance scheme, was a classic example of trying to get people converted into the idea that I had. You know, I distinctly remember when I went around the place to sell this, to market the scheme, initially it was crazy, absolutely crazy. You know, Ministry of Information and Technology, which was supposed to look at innovation, the secretary tells me, "अरे यार अनिल तुम कहाँ इन चक्करों में पड़े हुए? ये तो कभी हुआ ही नहीं है." मैंने उनसे कहा सर यही तो आपको करना है, इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी जो हो चुका वो थोड़ी ना करती है। क्योंकि we were looking at the first ever in the world a paperless, cashless, portable insurance scheme. No one believed that it could happen. It happened. And when it happened, then everything happened. I get a call from an advisor from President Obama, who had just taken over from Washington. He tells me, Mr. Swarup, can you come over to the US to make a brief presentation on your policy, on your scheme? We've heard a lot about it. So I tried to wriggle out. I said, I mean, the context is very different. He said, no, whenever you come. So I used to go to the World Bank to have interactions with them. In one of the visits to Washington, I went to Brookings Institute, which houses advisors of the president. And there I made a presentation on RSBY. And during the presentation, there were representatives of the federal government, the state government, our own mission people were there. There were also NGOs, the Gates Foundation, the Rockefeller Foundation, they were all there. I made a presentation. And after the presentation, I was having a cup of coffee. So this gentleman from Gates Foundation walks up to me and asks me, Mr. Swarup, you seem to be very passionate about this scheme. What is the government giving you beyond your salary? It's very important because to make things happen, you have to be passionate. In government, you believe in dispassionate? No, it doesn't work. You have to be passionate. So I asked him a counter question. I asked him, Gates Foundation gives millions of dollars to poor countries. What do you get out of it? They said, well, that's a job, but more than that, we derive a lot of satisfaction in helping the poorest of the poor. I told him, you've answered your own question. The Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana is meant for the poorest of the poor, many of whom would have been dead but for the scheme. So the good wishes of those that survived and the families come back to me somehow, anyhow, that's good enough a kick for me to do what I'm doing. And then I narrated a small incident to him to illustrate what this kick is all about. In this scheme, I used to visit these, they were small hospitals that were empaneled. So I used to visit these small hospitals. One day I was visiting this hospital. I was talking to a beneficiary patient. I heard a very feeble voice from behind. Beta idhar aao. I just turned around and saw a very old lady. She was so old and frail that you couldn't sit. She was just lying on the bed. She was flashing her hand at that smart card. And somebody had told her that I had something to do with the scheme. So she was calling me beta idhar. I went to her and I bent down and I asked her, Mata ji, aap theek to hain? She told me, beta, main bahut takleef mein hu. Lekin अस्पताल वालों ने मेरा बड़ा ख्याल रखा. मैंने कहा फिर तो आप ठीक हो जाएंगे, अपने घर जाएंगे. नहीं बेटा, मेरा कोई घर वर नहीं, मैं तो भीख मांगती थी. मैं बीमार पड़ गई. मेरा पड़ोसी था, वो उस झोपड़ी में ही रहता था. वो उसने तुम्हारा कार्ड देखा. वो मुझे यहाँ ले आए, यहाँ सब मेरी सेवा कर रहे हैं, मुझसे पैसे भी नहीं मांगते. मैंने कहा माता जी, आपको पैसे देने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है, फ्री है, आप ठीक होकर घर जाएंगी. नहीं बेटा, मैं कौन से घर जाऊंगी, ना मेरा भाई है ना बेटा, कोई नहीं है मेरा इस दुनिया में, और वैसे भी मेरी उम्र इतनी हो गई है, अब मैं ऊपर वाले के पास जाऊंगी. एंड देन शी मेड अ रिमार्केबल स्टेटमेंट. शी टेल्स मी, ऊपर वाले जाके एक बात जरूर कहूंगी, हमारी स्कीम बहुत अच्छी है. So thank you friends, thank you very much. This is what this book about. I can go on and on because making things happen is not easy, but it can be made to happen, because I sought inspirations from a number of civil servants who made things happen despite these limitations, political, social, economic, or whatever, all these limitations. They made it happen. They were a source of inspiration. If they could do it, why can't I do it? That's what make it happen all about. Thank you very much.